Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from Tekker Reviews, and in today's video we have the Yuanj 360-degree rotating turntable. Now rumour has it guys, if you hit that like and subscribe button, you're going to get 7 days of good luck, so make sure you smash both those buttons before the end of this clip. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Yuanj 360 is pretty much a motorized turntable which provides quiet and smooth rotation. The device can complete a full rotation every 50 seconds and can rotate both clockwise and anti-clockwise. The Yuanj 360 is powered by a 220 volt cord and can hold a maximum weight of 25 kg. Finally, the device has a total diameter of 20 centimeters and includes 1 year manufacturer warranty. In regards to the product breakdown, on top you have the rotating mechanism where you can place your products. On the back, you have the power port input and switch to turn on the device. Inside the box, you get the Yuanj 360 turntable, as well as one power cable and instructions on how to activate your 1 year warranty. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Connect the power cable into the Yuanj 360 and then connect the second end into a power supply. Flip the switch and you should be good to go from here. You can also switch the product on, off and on again in order to change the direction of rotation. Overall, the device works great and is ideal if you're looking for a turntable to showcase a product. The options to change the rotational direction is also super handy, and the fact that it can hold up to 25 kg is also great. However, you don't get an option to control the rotation speed, which would have been useful. And for the price I paid, I felt like there should have been a lot more options available, such as an LED light that shines from the bottom, or a gloss finish that makes the product look more premium. But if that doesn't concern you, and you're happy with everything else, then you should definitely consider purchasing the Yuanj 360. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Yuanj 360 turntable from Amazon for around £49, which is a bit on the premium side. However, you can find the links to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and let me know what you guys thought of the turntable in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekker Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.